Good morning, friends. These are some trading bets for the month of October. The first trading bet could be on avadh sugar. As you know, traditionally in the months in the festival season, sugar stocks do well, and the particular chart pattern of avadh sugar also looks very promising on the upside. Definitely, I mean, in case there is a huge negative cues from the global markets, the upside may not be very high. It could be a limited upside, but let me explain it to you. The chart of avadh sugar here. Here what you can see is it's a 200-day moving average. Now avadh sugar has taken support from here in the month of April, and then it went and hit a high somewhere in the month of July. Now in the month of July, after it hit the high in the last week of June, rather, July, August, September, there has not been much happening on this particular stock, and you can see this pattern is called as a distribution pattern and followed by what is called as an accumulation pattern. If there was a distribution, there could have been a major breakdown here, but now here for the last 2 months an accumulation pattern has taken place, and now it is waiting for an up move. Now what you can see is there are two channels here, and there is one more trend line here, which creates an almost kind of a triangle kind of a thing. Now what has happened is yesterday, that is on the 1st of October, there is a breakout from this particular triangle. So this is a very good point to enter, and the entry could be at these levels, and the targets could be at the previous highs. The stop loss will be somewhere here. So your entry is at the current levels. The stop loss is very low. I mean, since we are very close to the support, the stop loss is around 398 levels, and the target could be the previous highs. And as I said, sugar stocks will generally do good in the month of October, November, December. So this is quite this looks quite promising. The next stock which I would recommend as a trading bet is Bataindia. Now Bataindia, even fundamentally, as I said, because of the upcoming festival season in the month of October, November, December, since we have Dussehra, Diwali, Christmas, New Year, footwear sales are going to again pop up. So generally, even footwear companies, their stocks, they move up in the month of October, November, December. Now what you see here in this chart, in this particular chart, is again this is a distribution. This is a 200-day moving average. Now Bataindia has been taking a very strong support from this particular channel. Last 1 month, what has happened is it is traded in a particular range, and the movement which was done on the 1st of October looks very promising. It looks as if it is going to break this particular range and trade at much higher levels. So any close above this level, that is about approximately 1850 levels, it should show a major up move to the levels of 2050. The stop loss will be around these levels, below these levels, from where it has taken support in the month of September. The entire month of September it has taken a support somewhere around 1738 levels. So any close below this or any trading below this, you have to exit. Entry looks very promising, and it looks to go up to 2050 levels in this current month of October. The next chart, the next trading bet which I could recommend is Cadila Healthcare. Now this is a daily chart of Cadila Healthcare. What you see is here is a 200-day moving average. Somewhere in the month of March, around here, Cadila Healthcare took support from the 200-day moving average, and then went on to make a high somewhere in the month of May. Then the next 3 months it has been trading in a particular range, almost a flat kind of a trade, which is it looks more like a distribution pattern where the distribution happened here. In the month of March, this was the time when the corona second wave was at its peak, and most of the pharma stocks ran up. It took support from the 200-day and it moved up. There was a distribution pattern over here, and followed by it has come down. Now again you can see the month of from the mid of August till the end of September, the pattern where it has been taking continuous support from the 200-day moving average, and this pattern looks more like an accumulation pattern where a good number of stocks has been accumulated and it is waiting for its move. So any now you can see this is a support line, this is also the 200-day moving average, which is a very strong support. Now any move above this particular trend line, any close above this particular trend line should take it back to its previous highs, the high in the month of August followed by the high which was made in the month of July or June. So the entry could be above 562 levels here. The first target could be around 600, that is your August high, and followed by the July high, that is around approximately 650. The stop loss could be below this. So these are three trading bets which looks very promising to me on the charts, and I think this could play out very well in the month of October. As I always say, you please take the advice of a financial advisor before you invest or you trade in stocks. These are videos just made for educational purposes. Next, do not take any much highly leveraged positions because that could give you a lot of stress, which could lead to a lot of financial and personal problems. Third thing is, I would suggest that you subscribe to my channel, because if I get a good number of subscribers, I come out with a lot of videos basically about trading. One is on positional monthly trades, weekly trades, daily trades, then certain simple strategies which can be used by laymen who do not have much knowledge about technicals. Very very simple to understand techniques, nothing very complicated, and by which you can make some good money. Some good strategies are there which I would like to share, but provided I get the right number of subscribers. As you might have seen, I don't have much subscribers and I've just started this channel recently. If I get good support, good subscriber base, I can come out with simple strategies which could benefit you in your trading. Wish you all the best for your trading for the month of October. Thank you so much. There are more trading bets which are going to come, which